Hi, I'm Isaac with Robovision, and today I want to talk to you about a really interesting robotic solution that's come out for a wide variety of broadcasts. So let's go ahead and get started. The camera I'm talking about today is the AW-UE150. The AW-UE150 by Panasonic is very different from traditional PTZs and brings it to a whole new level of quality. It offers outputs of 4K, 1080p, 1080i, and a wide variety of frame rates and resolutions. This makes it uniquely suited for broadcast because of the size factor too. It comes in at just under 10 pounds, which means that you can mount it in a wide variety of places where previously a robotic may not have been ideal. In addition to that, the wide-angle lens also makes it uniquely suited for today's small and medium broadcasts, even up to large broadcasts. The camera runs robotically off of IP data, which means that this is set for the future. You could either run it locally on-site or off-site at a master control station. In addition to that, the IP functionality makes it very easy to integrate with current camera systems or in new systems. If your broadcast has been looking for an all-in-one, small, simple solution, the AW-UE150 might just fit that bill. If you'd like more information, check us out on robovision.com